Oh, oh. Fuck, I don't understand. What is the problem? Well, open it then if you have to get in there. I don't know. Well, what happened?